Good morning, Walden Grove. My name is Jose Luis Soto Jr. And you are?
Hunter Elijah Lynn, and today is December 3rd, 2013.
Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please be seated for a moment of silence.
Birthdays for today are Kathleen Chavez and David Hoover. Happy birthday, guys. I'm going to find you and give you a big high five.
The class of 2016 and 17 are pleased to present the Winter Formal Dance. The theme is a Roaring Gatsby on Saturday, January 11th from 8 to midnight. Costumes in 1920s decades and Gatsby inspired are encouraged. Single tickets can be purchased for $15 and couples for $28. Tickets go on sale every day at lunch by the freshman and sophomore classes.
Service Leadership is working with families from local abuse shelters, and they are in need of diapers and hygiene items. Please bring some this week to help these women out. You can bring your items to your homeroom class or to Mrs. Gipton's classroom at 1265.
Announcing the Law Club fundraiser, wear your hat, beanie, or hoodie inside this Friday for just $1. Get your free pass during lunch at the Law Club table or before school in room 1164.
The class of 2015 is taking class t-shirt orders this week. Order your class t-shirt for only $10. Look for the class of 2015 in the courtyard during lunch. Payment is required for an order. Also, order your t-shirt and we will put your name in the drawing for free prom tickets.
The zoo is coming to Walden, Jose.
What?
Get your permission slips in today for the Phoenix Mobile Zoo presentation on Thursday. The mobile zoo will present habitats and food webs in the auxiliary gym. There is still room, so get your permission slip from Ms. Rojan and return it by Wednesday.
Hey, freshman Link crew. Your Walden Grove Link leaders want to celebrate your first semester of high school and encourage you to do your best on upcoming final exams. Find your Link leaders on Friday and get a final exam survival kit.
That's all for today, Red Wolves. Have a good day, and please remain...
Just stay tuned. We're going to play some videos, or one video at least, from our advanced media students. I hope you enjoy it. Later. Say bye, Hunter.
Bye.
Bye.
Well, this is Walden Grove. First day of school. Hope it's a good one. This place looks pretty nice, you know, not too bad, not too... Oh, there's a vending machine. That's pretty neat. Gonna put in these here quarters here. What do I want? Let's go with Doritos. That sounds pretty good. Come on. Seriously? You took my quarters. Well, I think this is my first class. It looks like a biology room to me. Is this biology?
No, are you kidding me? Get out of here, you freshman. Freshman, oh my gosh.
I hate high school so much.